Carbohydrates are the main source of energy as they are the fundamental fuel for the body. When we eat carbohydrates, they are transformed in our digestive system into glucose sugar, which gives energy to the brain, nervous system, and muscles, and some of the glucose is converted into glycogen, which is stored inside the muscle tissue and liver. And the excess amount of glucose is stored in the body as fats. Carbohydrates are chemical compounds that contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen elements. Carbohydrates are usually divided into two main types. The first one is the simple, fast-releasing carbohydrates that are found in sugar, honey, sweets, and most refined foods, as they are quickly transformed into glucose that's absorbed directly into the blood, which gives us an energy boost. As for the second type, it's complex, slow-releasing carbohydrates that are found in grains, fresh vegetables, and fruits. These foods contain fibers and complex carbohydrates that slow the release of sugar. Complex carbohydrates are much better than simple carbohydrates, as their ability to transform to glucose in a slower way helps to supply the body with energy continuously over a longer period of time. And fibers help in keeping the intestine vital and in regulating the excretion. But to remember, carbohydrates are the main source of energy and the fundamental fuel for the body.